Hi guys, I'm Larry Chin, SVP of Product at UNIZ.
Could you walk us through this new product and what makes it stand out in the dental 3D printing industry?
I think absolutely. The new UBEE 3D printer is our latest innovation, designed specifically to meet the demands of modern digital dentistry. So what makes UBEE a game changer? It is exceptional speed and precision. Thanks to our second generation liquid cooling high-power photocure system, which is LEF 2. This system allows for rapid cooling of materials, reducing printing time without compromising on detail or accuracy. So additionally, the UBEE is equipped with Smart Sensor and Control System, SSCS, and Smart Identification System, which is SIS, which enhance both reliability and ease of use. So these features ensures that the dental professionals can produce high-quality prints consistently and efficiently. And in this way, we revolutionize workflow in dental practices.
How do these advancements improve the user experience and the overall efficiency of dental practices?
The features in the UBEE 3D printer, such as SSCS or SIS, greatly enhance the user experience by making the printer more intuitive and user-friendly. So the SSCS continuously monitoring the printing process, automatically adjusting the parameters to ensure optimal performance and reducing the likelihood of errors. So this means less downtime and fewer failed prints, allowing dental professionals to focus more on patient's care rather than troubleshooting the equipment. So the SIS streamlines the material identification process, ensuring that the printer uses the correct setting parameters for each specific material, which further enhances print quality and consistency. So overall, this feature saves time, reduce waste, and improve the efficiency of dental practices.
Looking ahead, what role do you see 3D printing playing in the future of digital dentistry? What technological advancements or applications are you most excited about for the industry?
I think 3D printing is set to play an increasingly pivotal role in the future of digital dentistry. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even greater integration into various dental applications, from creating custom orthodontic devices and prosthetics to more advanced surgical guides and bioprinting applications. So the precision and customization capabilities of 3D printing allow for more personalized patient care, improving outcomes and patient satisfaction. So looking ahead, I'm particularly excited about biocompatible materials and the potential for 3D printing to produce not just dental models and tools, but also functional tissue and even organs. This could revolutionize not only dentistry, but the entire medical field, offering new solutions for complex medical challenges.